Hello, dear viewers. Today we will explore Uranus and Neptune, the farthest ice giants in our solar system. Together we will look at the unusual features of these planets, their interesting atmospheres, magnetic fields, internal structure, and mysterious moons. If you're ready, let's get started. Uranus ranks 7th in distance from the Sun, averaging 2.87 billion kilometers away. Uranus was discovered by William Herschel in 1781, the first planet discovered with a telescope. About 4 times the size of Earth, Uranus has a radius of about 25,000 kilometers. If Earth were a big apple, Uranus would be the size of a basketball. Uranus has no real surface. The planet is largely made up of swirling liquids. Most of its mass is made up of hot, dense, icy material above a small rocky core. These substances are water, methane, and ammonia. Near the core of Uranus, the temperature can rise as high as 4,982 degrees Celsius. However, compared to other planets, it has a very cold core. According to scientists, Uranus is the only planet that radiates no more heat than it receives from the Sun and emits almost no heat into space. Uranus's atmosphere is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, with small amounts of methane, trace amounts of ammonia and water. Methane absorbs red and near-red wavelengths of light from the Sun and reflects blue-green wavelengths, giving the planet a turquoise appearance. Uranus's atmosphere is divided into layers. The troposphere is the densest part of the atmosphere and ranges in temperature from -153 degrees to -218 degrees Celsius. The stratosphere creates a faint outline of the planet. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system, with parts falling as low as -224.2 degrees Celsius. Uranus presents a truly unique phenomenon with its magnetic field. You see, the magnetic field of Uranus is tilted about 60 degrees from the axis of rotation, which results in an irregular magnetic field. Unlike the magnetic fields on Earth, Jupiter, and Saturn, which are aligned with their poles, Uranus's magnetic field shows a geometric complexity that stands out in our solar system. Now let's explore the satellite and ring system of Uranus. This icy giant has 27 known moons, each named after characters from the works of Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. The largest of these moons is Titania. Other significant moons include Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. Moving to the rings, they begin about 38,000 kilometers from the center of Uranus and extend out to a distance of 98,000 kilometers. These rings are composed mainly of dark rocks and are remarkably thin, adding to the mystique of Uranus. Moving on to Neptune, the 3rd largest planet in our solar system and the 8th farthest from the Sun. Named after the Roman god of the sea, Neptune's blue color perfectly complements its namesake. Observing Neptune can be quite challenging, even with a telescope, due to its great distance and dim visibility. Interestingly, its discovery was not through direct observation, but was prompted by mathematical discrepancies noted in the orbit of Uranus, showcasing the intertwined fate of these distant neighbors. Neptune's atmosphere consists mostly of hydrogen and helium. These two gases make up 98% of the atmosphere, and it is methane that gives the planet its blue appearance. However, Neptune has a more vivid blue color than Uranus. This may indicate the presence of a molecule that has not yet been detected. Neptune is known as the windiest planet in the solar system. Winds can reach speeds of up to 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune, like other gas giants, has a rocky core but no metallic hydrogen layer. Its magnetic field is smaller than that of Jupiter and Saturn. The planet's density ranks first among gas and ice giants due to its layer of molten ice and metal. Its magnetic field contains fewer charged particles than that of other planets. Neptune has 13 known moons and 6 rings. The most well-known moons are Triton and Nereid. Triton is the only large-scale moon orbiting in the opposite direction to the planet it is a satellite of, and has a thin nitrogen atmosphere. Triton has active geological features with geysers spewing nitrogen. Nereid is Neptune's largest moon and moves in an elliptical orbit. Uranus and Neptune are the most mysterious and most distant planets of our solar system. The discoveries and knowledge about these ice giants raise new questions and are constantly evolving with the progressive approach of science. In our next video, we will continue exploring the other interesting planets of our solar system. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video.